Coach, talk about lang po yung medyo masakit yung talo game siya. Tayo.
Importante lang naman sa amin, ano lang, no? Maka 9 wins kami. May 2 games pa kami. So, pinaka-importante lang, hindi naman yung maka number 1 ka or number 2. Di mo naman ako control kung sino yung makakalaban mo sa quarterfinals. Importante lang, meron kang twice to beat. Very realizable naman yung ano, no, yung 9 wins. May Ginebra pa kami, may Titan pa kami. I think we can win at least one of those to get 9 wins. So I'm not really worried. No, I'm not that much disappointed. We controlled most of the game, no? But there will be times when you won't get the breaks in the end game. No? So, okay naman, no? Medyo marami ng nabawas sa amin din. No? Si Felix, si June Roque, kanina hindi nakalaro si Kaylan. Meron pa siyang mga viral issues. But sa akin maganda pa rin naman ang nilalaro namin. No? So ano lang, get the 9th win and then prepare for the quarterfinals. Ganun lang sa amin.
Coach, medyo naging crucial yung successful challenge na naging jackball. Yung reaction mo doon sa nangyari?
Yun nga kasi ang alam ko sa rules, pagka successful yung challenge mo, kung ano yung pinakahuling incident or action, dapat doon mo pagbabasihan yung possession. Ang consequence nun, naging loose ball, nakuha namin yung bola. Tapos pinajumble nila. Sa tingin ko maling-mali yung interpretation na yan. It should have been our ball kasi kami ang maargabyado. Actually, it could have been a fast break eh.
Yes.
Pwede namin i-fast break yun eh kasi turnover eh. Tinanggal lang pa kami ng fast break. So, I don't know if they'll review that or may ano yun. Pero tingin ko mali.
Medyo naging costly sa inyo yun.
Tama. Ano, kasi sa ganitong laro, one possession is very important, especially if that possession can turn into a transition point para sa amin. Pero ganun lang talaga.
How about coach yung ano? Kasi how do you plan to address yung mga injuries? Do you plan to recognize Stanley ba? Makakalaro na or meron ba kayo kukunin?
Hindi, ano pa rin. No? We will have to live with our lineup na ngayon. Kaya yun sila Deo Quahaw, medyo binibigyan namin ng minutes. No? Sila Josh David, binibigyan namin ng minutes. They will have to contribute. Next man up lang naman yan. So, we will just have to trust them and give them confidence para makapag-step up sila.
Yung Miss Free Throw ni Clarita, ano lang yung ano mo doon?
Okay. Okay lang yun. Nangyayari yun. I think importante magmarka sa kanila yon para siguro ayusin nila or pag-practicean pa nila yung mga weaknesses ng game nila. No? One of them is free throws. So, sa akin kasi, yes, it would have been nice if you had won the game on those free throws. Mag-iiba na yung ano eh. Mag-iiba na yung yung timpla ng laro pagka na-shoot mo yung free throws na yun. No? Kesa dun sa tabla yung laro and they can just take the winning shot. So, mabuti nakapagpundar na kami ng 8 panalo. So, hindi naman namin masyadong dinaramdam yan. Importante lang talaga maka 9 wins.
Coach, nasa naman ikaw, may nakamas ka, may sakit ka.
Inuubo ako ayokong hawaan yung mga players namin. So, nagpapagaling pa ako. Kaya, baka naman hindi sila ma-injure, magka-trangkaso naman or something. No? So, protection lang.
Coach, si Jalen kapag mga crowd favorite teams yung kalaban for the past, syempre TNT nagkaroon ng drama with Cobontin, Magnolia kay Eric Arejola. Then this Sunday si Coach, definitely pinaka-favorite ng crowd, Ginebra. May advice ba kayo na parang mas aggressive kasi yung crowd si Jalen?
Wala. No, I just tell them to be themselves. Sabi ko lang sa kanila, be themselves. Wala namang problema mag-celebrate sila ng good plays or good shots. No? That's just part of the game. No? But I don't want them to be disrespectful. So, hindi naman siguro magiging magiging issue yun dun sa Ginebra game namin. Alam naman namin na na special game yun, no? Crowd favorites on a Sunday. Tapos may chance din silang maging number 1 pa actually, no? So it's going to be a nice game. We're going to anticipate it and have fun with it. But yun nga, kung makuha namin yung 9th win namin, masaya kami. Yung 9th win lang talaga yung nahanap namin para twice to beat na kami.
Coach, yung matchup lang with potential matchup ni Justin Brownlee sa ni Jalen Johnson. Do you think, Coach, Jalen Johnson will live up to the hype against Jalen?
I think you cannot put additional pressure on yourself when laban namin Ginebra, laban namin si Brownlee. It will just distract you from your focus. No? So yung advice ko rin sa kanya is just play your game. The usual thing that we do, yung run lang natin yung sistema natin. Ang tingin ko, he will fare well, he will play well. Tingin ko, magandang treat sa crowd, no, yung game namin. Kaya we will just enjoy the moment and try to win that game.
Coach, speaking of that, you've been drawing crowds na rin. So, do you expect na maganda yung magiging turnout sa Sunday with you being the rising team or kung naman tawag sa inyo against the...
Siguro, aside from the usual Ginebra crowd, may mga nagkaka-interest din sa team namin. Baka ma-motivate sila na manood ng live. So, tingin ko magandang crowd natin yan.